Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy tax lien properties in Florida. So a tax lien happens when a homeowner doesn't pay property taxes. So the county then sells a tax lien certificate to investors. You basically pay the unpaid taxes, and if the owner pays back, you earn interest. If they don't for a long time, it can lead to a tax deed sale. So in Florida, these are sold in online auctions. So most counties use real auction, but it may not open in some countries. So the safest way is to go to the official county tax collector website and look for tax certificate sales. So here is the simple process. Number one is register for the county's tax certificate auction. Number two, choose a certificate that you want. Number three, bid, then pay if you win. Number four, wait for the owner to repay you with interest or move forward if they don't. Always research the property and county rules before bidding. Thank you so much for watching. That is it for today. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.